Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego.
What's up? How you guys doing today? So I've just finished creating or shooting content, more like I batch film. The plan was not to batch film at all today, but while I was lying down this morning, ideas were just popping into my head. I'm like, okay, maybe I should just set up my camera, and shoot this and shoot the content for Instagram. Yes, I just finished shooting like 5 different content. And if you're not following me on Instagram, please follow me right now. I have interesting videos on Instagram that I don't really post here because I feel like YouTube content more like different from that of Instagram. Somehow some are not 100% like that. So please follow me on Instagram at unusual Miss B, on TikTok unusual Miss B, Instagram usual Miss B, then on Facebook is Blessing Chamaka Wachuku. Yes, so on Facebook I don't really do too much on Facebook like that, but I want to start taking my Facebook seriously now. So I'm done right now. I want to go and cut watermelon for my children so that when they come out from school, the next 1 hour they'll be back because this is already past 3. So they're going to be back very soon. I want them to eat fruits, I want them to eat food more like to snack on something this afternoon because I don't really give my children food for school. I feel like when you give them food for school, it's becomes so hot and soggy, disgusting to eat. So I always prefer to give them food, when they come back. At least they eat it fresh, cold, and they can be able to enjoy it. You understand? When I see people giving their children food for school, I'm like, how do you do this thing? How will your children enjoy? But then everybody should do what works for them. You understand? So I'm not in a place to ask anybody nonsense questions. Yeah, you guys, I'm done. Thankfully, it's been a productive day so far. Even though my Monday started with something slow, lazy, but then I'm so thankful that I've achieved something this afternoon. So let's go and cut the watermelon. And actually, I don't know if I should film for Instagram. No, I want to really film for Instagram, but I don't know if I should carry guys along here on YouTube. But let's see how it goes because energy. I need energy. All right, guys, let's go and cut. Let's see if I can, carry guys. I'm sorry I didn't really carry guys on all my shooting behind the scenes. So that's because, see, it's a lot, I beg. It's a lot. I'll speak to you guys much later. Please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, subscribe, comment, and kisses. I love you guys so much. And yeah, let's go to the kitchen to cut.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. open mind, hiding it by myself. No guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith, you'll find me. Leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars about to let us? Guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith, you'll find me. Leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go?
Hi, my loves. Hi, lovelies. What's up? How you guys doing today? Yeah, today is Thursday, the 12th of March. We bless God for a brand new day. So I decided to pick up this camera and talk to you guys. You know, see, yesterday I cried. Yesterday, you guys, I cried. I wailed like, okay. For those that are Catholic, you know, we are in the season of Lent, right? So we're in the Lenten season. I went for the session of the cross yesterday, and after the session of the cross, we had afternoon mass. And after the mass, I said, okay, let me go to the chapel, because the plan was after the session of the cross, attend the afternoon mass and then go to the chapel and pray. So I prayed, and I needed to pour my heart out, you guys. I needed to cry to God to grant my heart desires, you guys. I cried. I wailed yesterday. Oh my God, like the way I was crying, I wanted to scream. I wanted to like cry it out loud, but I couldn't because people were also in the chapel praying, but I was crying. My nose, like catarrh was running from my nose. I was in tears. Ah, dear Lord, please answer my prayers. I need you to answer my prayers. It was so emotional for me yesterday. I need to live in my answered prayers, you guys. I need to live in my answered prayers. And I know that God will do it. That thing I'm begging God for, I know that He's going to do it for me. Yes, I know that. You know, sometimes our faith can be shaken, you know, and that thing that you're expecting, sometimes you just feel like it's difficult to come. And the waiting period can be so hard. You guys, please pardon the the dark background. You know, this weather, sometimes filming with natural lights can be so tasking. So where is that? That's because the skylight, you know, has reduced. So please ignore the black or the dark background. So as I was saying, waiting period can be so difficult. See, it's already getting bright. Can you see? That's because the sun is going up and down, like it's fluctuating, if that's the right word to use for it. What was I saying? The waiting period can be so hard, can be so difficult. But God is still on the throne and is still in the business of doing miracles, okay? So yeah, guys, that's it. That's it. But in everything, we thank God. We thank God for our faith. We just have to keep being positive, you know. But I cried yesterday. I willed. I willed. And I just hope that He sees my tears and He listens to what my heart desires, because it's only God that can answer my prayers. What I need from God, He's the only one that can answer me. Yes, and I pray that the answers come sooner than I expect, because what God cannot do does not exist. Yeah, so guys, and that's it. So today I made this delicious fried rice for my children for school lunch. You guys, this rice tastes so good. And I have a recipe about that video here on my YouTube channel. You know, I made that video like 3 weeks ago, and I made another delicious fried rice today. So that one I filmed it for Instagram. So probably tomorrow that video should be up on my page, and I'm having my portion right away. This rice tastes so good. If you're not following me on Instagram, go and follow me. You follow me on Instagram at unusual Miss B. I have beautiful content there, right? I also post them on my shorts here as well. So please follow me on TikTok and Instagram at unusual Miss B. Yeah, yeah. So what do you have my portion right now? My kids, they've gone to school. Come and eat too. Come and eat. Come and join me. Okay. So I think they've gone to school and I really want to film a content for my business, for my other brand. Plus, I told you guys that, I don't know that it's this vlog, I told you guys I lost all my videos, my files in my other phone. So I have to look for a way to create content for my cake business so I can be posting. But trying to get old videos from my page is so difficult, Not really difficult, but when you try to download your videos from Instagram, it will not be watermark like it will watermark your name on your videos. So I don't want that kind of thing, for my business page. Let make no company like say you did post upload content, even though it's not that bad. But the fact that watermark thing is there, I really do not like it. I used to use this repost app before, but all of a sudden, I don't know. I don't just know, but yeah. Right now, I really don't have much content for my cake, and I need to create one right away after talking to you guys. So I think I've said a lot here. It's like almost 9 minutes, or this is like 9 minutes talk. Let me enjoy my fried rice. I'm looking at this plate, sorry. Let me enjoy my fried rice, you guys. This rice tastes so good, like so good. Asabi cook good. Asabi cook. If you don't agree with me, argue with your first queen. Delicious. I'll speak to you guys much later, okay? Like the video, subscribe, please. Comment, it's very important. Engage. I'll speak to you much later. This is
those brown eyes, it took my heart by surprise. Could this be real? Because I dreamt you a chapter that I turned, and too good to be true was the way you made me feel. Mountain and sea, I'ma stay with you. I never leave.